Alright people, today I want to show you a really cool site. It's called unsplash.com because I want to help you with your project. I got really much high resolution photos for free. You can use them for whatever you want because it's not with copyright. So for example, we're gonna show this one. This one looks amazing. So we're gonna go back. You can get every photo in every category. So I'm gonna search, for example, for night sky. And then I got all the night sky photos. That's awesome. That's pretty awesome. Because you can customize your whole site based on these photos. I got many photos. Just browse around, just look around unsplash.com. I'll put the link in the resources. So for example, this one looks awesome too. Gotta go back. And I'm gonna scroll up. For example, you need something for your business. I'm gonna type business. Okay, they got really cool business photos. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Okay, just browse around. I hope I helped you a little bit with your project or what you want to do, what you're gonna do. So these are really amazing photos. I hope you've learned about Unsplash, and I will see you soon.